You have the ring, but she have the man. Tell me what. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Adriana, also known as Adriana Ohh. I just want to welcome all my new subscribers. Hey, how you doing? So I just want to tell you guys what the O stands for. So the O stands for, when I was thinking of names for YouTube, I'm like, I want to use my last name, but I don't want to use my last name at the same time. So I said, let me think of a different, unique type of way to use my last name. So I came up with the name Adriana Ohh, O-H-H. Because a lot of things I say on this channel, you'd be like, oh. So my channel consists of a lot of makeup, vlogs.
I love her. She's the best cousin ever.
Buddy, it's next day in Dominica, and I'm going to ski. This place out is on 20th Avenue. Now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me.
You're not even wearing all white, Adriana.
Hey guys, I'm here with Ramon. Yep. This is what. Hey. In the video, you know. Do you believe that story is true? Pranks.
My book tomorrow, I'm gone. My payments here and go home tomorrow. No, I'm not staying. I'll never come back here.
I like to cook too. I like to cook up a storm in the kitchen and thing. You can put a toothpick in it and it's so good. So this is, I like the different shape. And me trying to speak like a Jamaican. Ooh, I love tempo.
Adriana.
Look
Adriana.
Matt love
Adriana.
Why y'all call me name for? I was trying to speak like a Jamaican when I know I can't speak like a Jamaican. But I hope you enjoy all the content on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see all these things on my channel. When you do subscribe, make sure you hit that bell right beside the subscribe button so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first person to know. Okay? Well, you would technically be the first one if you get the notification right away and open the video right away. So that when you see all these videos, like my cooking, my vlogs, my travel vlogs, my makeup, that you will be the first to know. You done know. So I hope you guys enjoy the content on my channel. I will see you guys in the next upload. Bye.